Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is super fun and exciting. It's a home renovation video, and we're gonna be doing our home gym together. I kind of forgot to film an intro, which is why I'm doing it right now, but I'm super excited. Our home gym came out way better than I would have thought, and we used the PRX performance system, so we kind of vlogged the whole process. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so here's a bunch of boxes we kind of already started, and this is going to be our gym room. Here's like an overview. So we're just gonna unbox everything and put it together and then show you guys the final reveal. You can actually slam it. Your mom could use these boxes.
Oh, don't hit me. Heavy. Oh, the blue one.
It's pretty cool. You're in the video for my YouTube channel.
Over your head, dude. Like a kid's vacation.
Wait, position the camera down. We're currently trying to put our gym up, so we're trying to figure out where the studs are. Which is why Alex is doing that, not me. Where?
Oops. Don't have to be perfect. Just shove it in there. Start. Do it. Not cricket. Your job is to make sure this thing is completely straight.
What?
Level.
The ruler. I can't really tell. Oh, there we go.
Watch out. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I was helping you.
You moved it back.
Well, it was crooked. Almost like grip bar and then leaf it.
Let's do that.
Do you think I can carry this?
Can you? Oh shit.
Zero. Update, they did send us enough bowls. My boyfriend just can't read.
Whatever the problem is, I hit the fan, I think, so. Oh, yeah, it's nice now. Watch yourself. No, you're good. I'll just keep it up. Alright, so now pick it up and put it back here. Inside.
Whoopsie.
And then
Inside? How far?
Huh?
How far?
Okay, so just tilt this thing back and let it sit there. Now let's see what bowl it really goes into.
This is cool. Oh, where's the phone?
I'll take this one.
From paper. Wait, this is cool. You get a lot of room. PRX, good job. It's stuck.
Oh, so it's a little bit tight.
Oh, I see. And then I'll get it loose.
It's not going to get loose on that, so a little bit.
Oh, that is. Now we're gonna put like all the stuff on it and hang everything.
You see?
The actual bar.
Is it?
Like, I don't know how he stuck this shit in here.
Hold on. What's on this? This is like cork, man. We're not happy with that thing. Yeah, just hold it up.
Try now.
And that's it. It's black. Hold the top one. That way it doesn't fly down the carpet. Or whatever this is. It's black. That's
Dude, that's going heavy.
Watch out. Alright, go rock it. Strong girl.
Alright, so here's like a little overview of the gym. I filmed it on my phone because my camera was dead, but it is now charged. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through and show you everything. So here's the front door. So when you walk in, here's our house, and here's our home gym. So you walk in, the first thing you guys are gonna see on this like tiny wall is all of our like bands and jump ropes and little ab things. And then you have the PRX. This is like the men's bar. It's like the black one. Then you have the entire PRX system. So that comes off of the wall. It's kind of heavy, but I'll show you guys in the video after. So it comes off the wall onto the floor, and then obviously you can squat and bench, all that stuff. We have like all the different like attachments, the landmine, tricep dip, and then that is for like pull-ups and stuff. Next to it we have all of the weights. So everything is from PRX except for like the bench and stuff, but all of the weights and this like holder for them, it's all from PRX Performance. So on this wall we have our cute little windows, but we're gonna actually get like a rack here. We just haven't bought one yet. So we have like our medicine balls, our kettlebells. This is actually like a pulley system that actually connects to the rack. It's so cool. And then we have all of our weights, 5 to like 50. And then we have this like foldable bench that I just got off Amazon, which I'll have everything linked down below. Of course, we have to have a plywood box, you know, jump squats and box jumps, all that goodies. And then this floor, this rubber floor is actually from Home Depot. I'm gonna link it because if you're having a home gym, this is so good. It takes a lot of weight and it absorbs the shock also. And then in the corner here, we just have our Peloton. And that's where I get my cardio in. So that's kind of like an overview of the whole gym. I'm actually gonna put you guys down and show you guys how this thing kind of comes off the wall. It's so cool. So, all you do, keep this up because this tends to fall down a lot. Which it's so heavy though, but you just pull. And it comes right off of the wall, and then you can do all your squats and things like that. So that is it for this home gym renovation vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Stay tuned for more home renovation videos. We're gonna be doing our laundry room, our backyard. You know, there's a lot of things to come. So if you're into it, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, you know the drill, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.